Hey guys, I'm running out to an event tonight, but before I do, I want to have a quick dinner because I have no idea what kind of food they're going to have, and I'm gluten-free, and you know, I always have to kind of like prepare in advance. I looked in my fridge to see what I have. I have this beautiful dressing that I learned when I was in Hawaii. I have some local corn. I have some washed and prepped arugula, an heirloom tomato, and I have a little bit of my cilantro that I pulled off. I'm gonna make a version of a caprese salad. Super easy, really summery, and it's gonna be delicious. Here we go. Let's get some of this arugula. And arugula, in Jersey. I just like stuff that my mom taught me. It just sinks in there and stays, you know, like crudité, shallots instead of shallots. Let's add some more beautiful Hawaii dressing. Mix that all up. Oh my gosh, smells so good. Now on here, let's just top it with our beautiful ingredients. Slice up our mozzarella. I always reuse, if I use a plastic baggie, I reuse them as much as possible. So I'm gonna put this in my sink because I'm gonna wash it and reuse it. So let's slice up our mozz. Let's do 3 slices of the tomato. And then what I do with my corn, I boil it for 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes, and then I keep it in my fridge. So now what I do, I slice it off the side. So good. So now I'm just gonna layer Caprese vibes. Like that. Let's just sprinkle the corn on top. Yum. Oh my gosh, guys, this is gonna be so good. Fresh herbs. Whenever I have fresh herbs, I always try to use them. Sprinkle a little cilantro on there. Or cilantro. Salt and pepper on top. Where's my olive oil? Okay. It's beautiful. It's so light. It's so satisfying though. Okay, I'm gonna eat this and head out. Yum.